So nice of you to host book club this week.
Oh, it's no trouble.
See, I told Carol you'd say that.
Carol?
Yeah, from the gym. We worked out earlier. Deviled eggs!
Well, I'm sure one more person should be fine.
I could eat a million of these things.
I'll get it.
Hey, come on in! Oh, thank you. Yes, I forgot it. Come on. Yes.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Don't worry, I'm here to help. I'm your fairy gas mother.
Whoa.
A natural gas range allows precise temperature control, even if you are not a professional chef.
Those your famous muffins? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to get that recipe later. Oh